Hi guys, how you're doing? It's the one and only Edlin Motsamai. Please note, if my makeup is looking crazy, I'm actually rushing so much as usual to a meeting. So the meeting is going to be at about 2 o'clock. So imagine, and I've only got 1 hour to go. So it's it's hectic for me today. Okay, make sure you do actually subscribe to my YouTube channel. I'll highly appreciate it. Also tell your friends about it if they need any business advice, as well as I do now have an app. Yay! Now I have an app, guys, so that you can check out my online digital stores, my services, as well as bookings for AI models, as well as AI filmmaking or film writing, prompts, or anything that you need to buy from me. You can purchase from me on the app and do bookings on the app, okay? And send me emails and everything. I'll put the app in the comment section, okay? So you can check it out, okay? I've got an app now for the Mount Walker Group, okay? I am actually owning an AI business, which is a worldwide business whereby I do AI work for anybody, as well as I have AI services, and I've got AI stores online, okay? I can talk more about my service, but therefore you can go check out the app, okay? Now, this is what I wanted to tell you. From now onwards, I'm not going to write the email here. You're going to check the app, and the email is attached to my app, okay? So you can go check out everything. Everything's on the app. How to contact me, my social media links, everything, okay? Now, guys, today I'm going to be very, very serious and honest with you. The truth is, I am going to give you the hard, honest truth about online businesses, okay? As I said, this is going to be brutal and blunt and honest, okay? Firstly, when you're starting an online business, guys, it's no joke. You have to wait for months, okay? This is the cons. I'm starting with the bad things first, so that the fact that you can know the good things after, okay? The cons is that, number one, is that the fact that it takes time, okay? Firstly, you don't just go and get, a sale online. No, you have to build a business in terms of trust. So now, therefore, people need to trust you in order for them to buy your product, okay? Number two is that the fact that, excuse me, please apologies to all the noise outside. My neighbors, whereby they're having some delivery happening, so I apologize for that. Number two is that the fact that it is very time consuming. You have to build it from piece by piece, and it must make sense. Also, email marketing. You have to do email marketing, whereby it's a bit complicated, but not that complicated. But you have to learn piece by piece how to do email marketing. So the fact that either you're doing your affiliate marketing, or whether you're doing your digital products, or whether you're doing print on demand, it doesn't matter. But you have to know, and it takes patience for people to subscribe. You still have to tell people to buy, to get your freebie, then purchase. It's very time consuming. Number four is that the fact that you need to build rapport with people you do not know, especially if you target your niche market. As I'm African, so I'm going to speak about me being African. Your target or niche market is American or European places, and you're African. They do not trust you because it's known, because of certain countries that are doing bad things with online services, that we are scammers, okay? So therefore you have to gain trust with that. And the only way, I will tell you how to gain trust with it. I'll give you the A's and B's, okay? Number five, the fifth one is that the fact that you will see zero until it's gonna make you feel very low. Even when it comes to anything you're doing, your audience will be very small. But don't focus on the audience, okay? You must focus on the niche product, as well as the niche market, so that you can get to the right people to buy your product. You must solve a problem, okay, so that the fact that you can make it, okay, in order for you to see big amounts of funds. Now, everybody's doing digital products in the Western area, so therefore I will not lie to you, it ain't easy at all, okay? Now, the pros, because I've said the cons, okay? The pros is that the fact that you do not spend money doing this, okay? You can get everything for absolutely free of charge. But I will give you a step-by-step video soon. I'll try my best by next week. It's just that I have a lot to do, guys, next week. Even I'm going to be traveling and stuff. So I'll try my best. Number two is that the fact that you are making money from home, so you're not feeling like you have to start, or you're obligated to start early in the morning and take taxis, trains, anything to get to work, okay? Number three is that the fact that you not only just sitting in a certain niche whereby it's in your currency, it goes worldwide. Okay, so that's the one of the best things. You can actually expand it. Number four is that the fact that you start getting well known even by highly profiled business people, whereby they are already established and therefore they will start investing in you when they start seeing your push. I've been getting a lot of people that were my role models when I was a child actually following me on my X page. You can check it out on my app. Okay, on my X page, I'm getting like people that I looked up to as a child following me because I'm doing AI company, okay, a service worldwide. So that's the only good thing about having an online business, is that it's worldwide. Number five is that you can choose whether you're faceless or you show your face. Me, I got most of my stuff with my face, but there's few that are faces that I didn't put on there because I'm generating income. Like you see, YouTube automation, this and this and that. I'll explain everything to you all next week. Okay, so therefore that's the best part. You can be faceless or have a face, and then people won't even know that you are rich. People won't even know that you are rich regarding to online work because you're faceless. Okay, now guys, please, it's time consuming. It does take a lot of energy. Sometimes you won't feel like even putting the camera up. Let me be honest with you, even me, some of the times I'm like, because I used to be a YouTuber and I had a lot of followers before, and that was back in 2018. So when I came back to YouTube, I can see it's not easy with the algorithm, right? Things have changed, so therefore I'm still going even if it's not easy. You understand? So you have to be patient, you have to be consistent, and try your best. Okay, now guys, thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate it. Also, another thing is that go and also follow my Rumble page whereby I do motivation. Okay, so I can motivate you as much as possible in terms of mental health, as well as you can go check out also my AI movies. It's on Linktree. Okay, LinkedIn. You can check it out on my app. Bye guys.